Paul from Model Builder International again, and this time we're going to go through the latest issue of the Weathering Aircraft magazine. So this one, as you can tell, is all about engines. So a quick overview and a couple of things I noticed to start with. If we just turn over a couple of pages, there's the index, but interestingly the first item isn't actually this one. If I just turn over a couple of pages, see the first page is on a Jumo from a Messerschmitt 262, which doesn't appear on the list. So that is actually at the top, and then we go through the rest of these items. First World War engine, modern helicopter, starfighter, Spitfire, a lot of detail. That's basically the major one of the magazine. Second World War, another Second World War engine, Sci-Fi, a pod racer from Star Wars. So I'll turn over the pages and you can see what's on there. Basically it's going through all the different techniques you'd employ in highly detailing and painting an engine. So we'll turn the pages, see what we get. As you probably noticed, and I just realising, there's actually a lot more individual articles than was originally mentioned in the table of contents at the front here. There's actually a lot more things in here than just those 6. It's not just one missing at the front, there's other ones as well. So the index, maybe they're thinking these are the major articles, the other ones are smaller articles in between them. But we'll see. The only other thing I noticed is, in the next issue, I don't know what the next issue is going to be about, because this is exactly the same as the last book is saying that the next issue is going to be on engines. So that's kind of interesting. The picture's different though, so it's something on this page what is going to be the next article. I'm not sure what. And that's it. I guess I'll find out what it is when they start advertising it. So, hope you enjoyed the pages, and see you on the next video.